Harp on. The idiom, harp on, means to repeatedly talk or complain about something, often in a persistent and annoying manner. It refers to the action of playing the same note on a harp repeatedly, which can become monotonous and tiresome. When someone harp on about something, they keep bringing up the same topic or issue, without considering others' interest or the need to move on. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the usage of this idiom. 1. Sarah's boss always harps on about punctuality. Every morning, he lectures the team about the importance of being on time, even though everyone is already aware of it. 2. My grandmother tends to harp on about her health problems whenever we visit her. She complains about her aches and pains endlessly, without realizing that it makes the atmosphere uncomfortable. 3. Tom's friend constantly harps on about his ex-girlfriend. No matter what they are talking about, he manages to bring up his past relationship and how it ended, which annoys everyone around him. 4. The politician harped on the same issue during the entire debate, ignoring other important topics. His opponents accused him of lacking depth and focusing on a single point excessively. 5. My little sister always harps on about getting a pet. She keeps talking about it every day, hoping that our parents will eventually give in and get her a dog. In all these examples, the idiom, harp on, is used to describe the repetitive and excessive nature of someone's behavior or speech. It implies that the person is fixated on a particular subject and continues to talk about it without considering the impact on others.